it's Maybe. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this thumbnail, or my thumbnail that you're seeing on the screen currently. I've learned so much since I started doing YouTube. I started changing my thumbnails so that they'll all look the same or look better, more professional. So if you want to see how I created this thumbnail, most likely I'm going to change it because I'm looking at it now and I see things are missing that I need to fix. So keep watching. I am using my S9 Plus and I got the Picsart app in the Google store. So I opened Picsart and I'm clicking the purple plus sign, and well, I have to rotate my screen for this part. I usually choose colored backgrounds, so I'm going with my purple background. You're gonna go into tools, crop, and you're going to change the ratio to 69 because that's the ratio that's used for YouTube. Gonna press select. Next I'm gonna add my font or my text. I'm going for a large font. I don't know if you guys have realized, well, I started doing like the first word I want persons to see really large, and then another word small. So thumbnail, then I'm gonna add HowTo. I'm gonna change this font to something small, right? Now I need to change the color. I'm going to change this other color to black. Right. I'm going to adjust this stroke, and I want it kind of glowy, so I'm going to add a light color like this. And you can adjust the width of the stroke by adjusting this little stuff here. I'm gonna add a black stroke to this just to make the font bigger. Stroke black, great. On images you can add a border, right? And on text you can add stroke. Now you generally going to want to have an idea of how you would want your thumbnail to look. So I went ahead and downloaded the Picsart logo, and I want this to be kind of big because I want persons to know that, well, hey, she used Picsart for this. So again, I'm going to add a border to this. Right. I'm gonna add a shadow. I am of the opinion, well, I like to see shadows on images because it just makes it pop even more. I'm just gonna show you guys something. Like, per se, you wanna add yourself to a video. I'm gonna use a picture of myself. I'm gonna show you guys how you can cut it out and like add yourself to it. So you select the image that you want to use. You click cutout, and you have the options of person, face, hair, head, background, or outline. So I'm going to click person because I'm right there. And the red part that you're seeing is the part that will actually be in the picture. So I don't know if you guys can see what part of my hair is missing, so I'm going to press restore and reduce the size of the like pen or marker. I'm going to fill in my hair. I'm going to press preview so I can see what it's going to look like, and that's what it's going to look like. Now I'm not really going to use this image, but I'm just showing you guys so you have an idea of what you could possibly do if you want to add yourself to your thumbnail. So I'm going to press save, and there you have it, me. So I'm going to delete this and get back to my actual thumbnail. So I want to include some of the other thumbnails that I've created. And this. Okay, this one can go because I have 2 orange thumbnails already. So what I like to do when I create thumbnails, I like to think of what attracts me to the video. Thumbnails are basically kind of like a preview of what your video entails, and like I try to think about that when I'm creating my thumbnails, like what can I put in it. So things like colors and pictures and stuff that the person would have used would make me want to see the video. Like, okay, so per se, look at my Instax mini 7S review. Like, I have a picture of the camera in it, so when somebody sees that and they see me holding like this Polaroid picture in my hand, they'll be like, ooh, what is that? I should watch that. So it's like you need to think about what persons would want to see in your thumbnail. Right, so when using this, you also have the option to like layer stuff. Layer meaning have something one go on top of the other. So do you see how my wash day prep how to and moisturizing natural hair, it's covered by the wash day prep how to. So I'm just going to click on the wash day prep how to and click on the like 2 squares on one top of the other on the left hand side. I'm going to press move down, and there you have it. It's now under the other one. Okay, I think we're gonna add shadows to some of them, just to the ones that you can see on the outskirts. Right, this looks good. Okay sis, okay. Guys, don't forget to view my other videos. I have another video on how to create your own intro. It's a bit long, but I did drop some gems. Like, I got y'all. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any suggestions or questions on something I may have left out. I'm gonna reply, okay? There you have it, guys. It looks better than the last one. To me, adding a shadow to the image makes it more 3D or makes it pop even more, and I like to see that. It looks more professional that way. To me, in my perspective, it looks better that way. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Tell a friend, tell somebody, tell everybody. Bye guys, see you next time.